Hey friends, if you wish to clear cache, cookies, browsing history and so on in Google Chrome and Firefox, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So let's check it for Firefox first. Click on this hamburger icon here at the top right corner. Click on history, select clear recent history, change the time range to everything, click on clear now and the job is done. Now as for Chrome, the process is a little different because it is Chromium based browser. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select history once again, click on delete browsing data, change the time range to all time, make sure that cookies and cache is selected, click on delete data and this will do the job. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.